Hey guys, in this video we are going to look at the YouTube algorithm. So algorithm, in a simple explanation, it means how things works. By understanding the YouTube algorithm, we get to know how does YouTube actually works, and we can grow our channel much more easily. So there are 6 elements that we need to go through. Grab your pen and paper and jot down some very important notes. Now let's begin. You can access to all these YouTube algorithms key metrics from YouTube Studio and Analytics. Metrics that we are going to look at is the channel minutes watch. The viewership on one video is important in helping that video to gain momentum. However, the goal is to grow your channel and increase your subscriber base. And that is why channel minutes watch has authority over videos minutes watch. The reason for this is YouTube analyzes this metric over the lifetime of your channel. They look to see if your channel is trending up or trending down. When your channel shows positive growth with an increasing rate, YouTube's algorithm will start to favor your channel and promote it more often in the browser feed. Second, videos minutes watch. In order to generate any momentum and leverage the YouTube algorithm, you first need views. YouTube's primary goal is to keep people on the platform. The more views and watch time you can accumulate for your YouTube video, the better it will perform. Views are the most important factor when it comes to ranking. In order for a video to be successful, the views need to be greater than or equal to 50% of the 30 days subscriber base. And YouTube analyzes the views accumulated for the first minutes, hours, and even weeks. Therefore, if you have 1,000 subscribers, your views need to be at least 500 for the 30 days. View durations. View duration is the amount of time the user spends on a particular video, and it also known as watch time. The goal of any video should be to keep the audience attention for as long as possible. However, make sure that you are providing quality content. Just because you produce a 3-hour video does not mean people are going to watch the whole full 3 hours. View duration is a key metric needed in order to grow your channel through compelling contents. And the optimal video length will be from 5 to 10 minutes. Section start. A section start refers to the video or channel that first got the user to YouTube. Whether it be through sharing a video on Facebook or posting the video URL in the Instagram story link, the channel that started the user session will benefit as long as the users stay on YouTube. Therefore, it is very important that you share your video outside of YouTube to bring traffic to your channel. Section and penalty. When your video links out of video or you drive traffic away from YouTube, you are seriously damaging the growth of your channel. YouTube does not reward channels that drive traffic away. So what are some of the session and penalties? It will be linking to social media, driving traffic to your website or landing page, or opening another window. Upload frequency. In the past year, YouTube algorithm did not place a high level of importance on this metric, and that is why so many channels were able to grow to such a huge subscriber with a small amount of content. But now this metric is highly important. The algorithm now favors a higher upload frequency of a channel, and this increase in upload frequency significance to YouTube that show to YouTube that this channel is active and creating new contents continuously. So it appears that the best way to grow the fastest on YouTube currently is with daily uploads. So these are the 6 elements that you have to take notes when building your YouTube channel. You are going to learn more on how to choose a topic and how to drive even more traffic to your YouTube channel. So I will see you next. In this video, I will share with you one of the most effective way to drive traffic to your YouTube channel, which is becoming an expert in a forum for your niche. So the typical forum that I use most often is Quora, but these methods apply to any forum as well. To start with, just type in your niche and forum at the end on Google, so you will get to have tons of forums that are related to your niche. Well, it is very easy. So for example, if I am on a dating niche, I will just need to type in dating forums and I will get tons of forums that is related to my niche. Next, let's look at Quora. Quora runs in the questions and answer formats. Just let me show you some really important components that are able to help you to generate more views on your YouTube channel with Quora. The first one requests you to answer. A brilliant function that Quora provides to users is that the person that posts a questions that can request writer to answer that particular questions. I have answered quite a bit of questions around YouTubing, dropshipping, and also affiliate marketing, as these are the things that I know the most. So people will start to request me to help them on answering these questions. As you can see on the left hand side over here, there are questions for you, which questions that Quora think I can help out and also answer requests. So for this answer request is questions that people are requesting me to help them up. And the impact of your answer will be much more heavy than the question that you posted elsewhere, as people look at you as someone that is considered some sort of expert in the questions. So if you ask them to watch your video on a YouTube or just subscribe to your channel, they will be more likely to do it. Earn your Pro Badge. So when you are active enough on Quora, when you are active enough on answering questions on Quora, you will get recognized as one of the pro at your selected niche. So for example, Lazada is one of the top online e-commerce platform in the Southeast Asia. It is kind of like the Southeast Asia Amazon. So I feature as one of the top 5 writers for this giant e-commerce platform. Well, how will this help? As I started off my YouTube channel with tons of videos about Lazada, dropshipping, and therefore it will be much more easy to convince people to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if I have a course to offer to my YouTube subscriber, they will be most probably going to buy it, as I am recognized as one of the pro in my niche. So just make sure that you answer as much question as possible on your niche. How often should you be posting on Quora? So my answer to these questions will be 2 posting a day on Quora. Before we continue to the next video, 2 goals that you need to achieve in Quora. The first one, make people request you to answer their questions by posting as frequent as possible. Earn your Pro Badge. I will see you on the next video.